Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this toothbrush sterilizer for ribbing purposes. It's a UV disinfectation sterilizer for your toothbrush. You can place it upon the wall and you just hang it up there and it will sterilize, which I think that it's nice, okay? Let's see what comes inside. We have the instruction manual with all the steps on how to use it, all the information that we need, which I think that it's great. And here we have the main unit, okay? This is it. It's quite small, which I think that it's great. It has a protective film right here and other one on this side. Okay. These are some installation guides, which I think that it's great to have. We also get a USB-A to Type C charging cable to use it with this port in this side, which I think that it's nice. You get two spaces for two toothbrushes, which I think that it's great. That way you can sterilize both at the same time, and we get a base and a double-sided tape so we can place it upon our wall. Okay, I'm gonna place it right here. I'm gonna take the double-sided tape first, and onto the wall. Like this, and I'm just placing it here. Now that it's up on the wall, we can test it out. Okay, I'm gonna get my toothbrush. As you can see, it's already turned on, and we can see the battery right here. If we wait our hand, it'll open up, and I can place my toothbrush. This. We pass the hand again, start sterilizing it, we can see the percentage of how much time remaining it has. I think this toothbrush holder is really nice because it's compatible with most toothbrushes head, excluding just the large and wide ones, which I think that it's nice because you have a variation of toothbrushes to use, and the LED screen tells us the battery status, the cleaning progress, the air drying status, and all the other functions that are visible just at a glance, okay? Which I think that it's really helpful. Okay, once that it's ready, we can once again open it up, take our toothbrush, and now it's ready to use, which I think that it's nice. And as you can see, you can have two simultaneous toothbrushes like this to start the process, which I think that it's really nice. And if any case you just finish brushing your teeth, just place them, run a cycle, and you can leave them right there hanging, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, as you can see, it was really easy to use. And to install it, you just place it in. I'm gonna close the cap, and it's really nice. It works perfectly. I like that you can use it with a hand motion only, and it's really great. Overall, I like it a lot, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.